Hi everyone! Today I want to show this QFUN Laminator that I just got. Let's open the box together and see what inside. First we can see the bag with pouches. They came in different sizes, which is great for different projects. Here is the laminator itself. It's compact and lightweight. I really like the size. It doesn't take up much space and easy to store. The laminator machine features built-in storage, including a paper cutter, corner rounder, hole puncher, and binder rings. There are also 4 different laminating paper sizes here, so you can use it for different purpose. I printed out this daily routine schedule and I'm going to laminate it. I just place the page inside the pouch, making sure it's straight, and then filled it into the machine. The important tip: always place the sealed edge first and leave the open side to go in last. This helps prevent wrinkles or bubbles while laminating. The laminator has both hot and cold modes. The hot mode heats up to seal your page, making it strong, waterproof and scratch resistant. The cold mode doesn't use heat, it just presses the sheet together, so it's safe for things like photos, receipts and labels. Just remember, for cold mode you will need self-adhesive pouches. Just know they don't include in this box and you have to buy it separately. When it's done, you can trim the edges if you want, and then round the corners. You have all tools to make it. And here is the final result. My laminated daily routine schedule, which I can easily handle on the fridge. It looks clean, durable and will last a long time. So that's my quick demo on this laminator. Simple, practical and very useful for home, school or craft. I can easily recommend this machine.